The idea is just go in and drown. Let the old you just get taken away. Let it just die and come out the other side and, you know, see what happens. Don't be afraid to take that risk. So soon you will learn to forgive bad times, the rules and regrets. One day they won't reach out for you. So you put out the fires you set. The smoke fades from your last cigarette. You're a mess, but yes, you're beautiful. Oh, come on down, we can drown in this water. It's only gonna set